If I'm going on a journey, it's so important to know what my destination is. Because if I know my destination, I'll know if I'm going to walk there, if I'm going to cycle there, if I'm going to drive there, if I'm going to take a train, a plane, or a boat. Because the length, the amount of time, the cost all matter in my decision making. It's the same with our investments. You have to match the right investment to your goals in order for you to achieve them. Let's talk about it. Welcome to Talking Sense. My name is Waithaka Gatumia. At Centonomy, we offer classes designed to help you build wealth and live abundantly. Check them out at centonomy.com. All right. One of the key factors in the Centonomy 101 program is beginning to put together a financial plan. Now, a financial plan is like a roadmap. You're saying, this is where I am today, but more importantly, this is where I want to be at a certain time in the future. This is what I want to achieve. So let me give you an example of what that means. I have a 4-year-old in my house. Okay, that 4-year-old, God willing, in the next 14 years will want to go to university. So I have a timeline. I have 14 years. The next thing is to say, which university would I like that 4-year-old to go to? So let's say here in Kenya, one of the prestigious universities is like Strathmore University, maybe USIU, maybe the University of Nairobi. So I pick one of them and say, in 14 years, I want my child to go to this university. Why? Because then I can say it will cost me this amount in that period of time, because that university is different from all other universities that are out there, their fee structure, all those various things. So now that I have set the destination, I now pick the right investment to get me there. I can now decide, okay, maybe I don't have a lump sum amount, maybe I have small amounts that I can put aside every day, every week, every month, every year for the next 14 years. Which investment will get me to my goal? If I didn't know what the goal was, if you don't know what the goal of your investment is, then you can't pick the right one. So the first thing for your financial plan is to decide, what do you want and by when? Because that is what's going to set you apart. Because guess what? If my goal is her school fees in the next 5 months, then I'm not going to go for a higher risk investment. I want security. So I may use like my savings account for that. Whereas for her 14-year goal, I might use a unit trust that's invested in the stock market. Do you see why it's so important for you to decide what is my goal? Because every time I get asked, Waithaka, which is the best investment? And here's the answer that Centonomy 101 will help you with. Match your goal to the investment. That is the best investment. The one that matches the goal. Have you figured out what you want? We spend a lot of time in our classes asking that question. What do you want? Describe it and don't hold back, because all you're doing is setting a goal. And once you set a goal, it'll help you achieve it in that period of time. I hope that's been helpful. Make sure you subscribe. See you next week on Talking Sense. As always, subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you won't miss another video. Join us for one of our life-transforming classes. Register at centonomy.com.